Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to walk through my favorite boat. This is a Crest Continental 250 that's pointed in blue and white interior. The blue makes this boat pop and it has been a very popular boat. The Continental, as you can see, comes with a ton of upgraded amenities like built-in pop-up armrests, bigger bolsters, USB chargers in all of the cup holders, and the upgraded audio system by Clips. This boat is going to have the full wraparound windshield, which doesn't come on any of the other Crest models and many other Tritoons on the market. This will give you a full camper enclosure as well, so you zip in your isinglass or that thick plastic that you see on a lot of cruisers. That's going to insulate you from that rain, from the wind, and cold weather, so you can truly use this all year round. As you come into the helm, you will see that you have beautiful bucket chairs that are three-way swivel, built aluminum dash accent door, plenty of bolstering, grab handles, and fiberglass on this boat to make it unique. The dash is going to be a Garmin 7-inch that's going to control all of your electronics and also give you a little remote control to control lights, docking mode, bilge pump, power. The power is nice when you go to some of these on-water restaurants. You can just power your boat off with the remote control, and when you're coming back down, power it up from a couple hundred feet away. And by the time you get to the boat, systems will be on, lights will be on, stereo will be on, all ready for you to start. This is going to be the side entrance and give you the lounger set up in the back. So you'll have a standard L shape, or with a button, this backrest will go all the way down to flat. You can stop it any way across the back to give you a lounger in the back, more seating in the front, or all. Nice hefty door to keep your small children or small pets inside the boat. Big swim platform on both sides and a huge 400 horsepower Mercury outboard Verado. We'd love to talk to you about this boat or any of the other Crest that we have. So when you get a chance, give us a call. Our number's down in the description below.